Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners at the end of this video, but I just kind of wanted to sit down and do some makeup with you guys and enjoy and relax and use my brand new Star Wars Mandalorian palette by ColourPop. I'm sorry if you hear my dog walking around. She's like being a little bit of a weirdo. Hi, Myanmar. Hi. But yeah, I wanted to do kind of a calmer video, not so much like a tutorial, because I myself have been feeling a little bit down. I did miss an upload this week and I'm so sorry. I've been kind of behind with all of that. You know, sometimes things happen in your life and it sets you back a bit, but it's fine because we're gonna get up. I made myself look pretty today. Felt good, and I will be announcing the winner, and I'm so excited for that because I truly am so grateful for you guys, and I love that I can possibly give back to at least some of you guys. Both of my dogs are now in the room, so ignore them. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and just kind of relax and get ready with me and then find out the winners to this giveaway, then please keep watching. Hi guys. Okay, so kind of like as I said in the intro, or I will say because I'm filming the intro after this, I'm just gonna kind of do this more casually. So I have two palettes here that I'm super excited to use. The Juvia's Place palette. This is the Tribe palette. It is gorgeous. It has so many beautiful greens. And then the Child palette by ColourPop. I love the Mandalorian. It's such a cute little show. Not cute, I shouldn't say cute, it's not cute, but yeah, so we're gonna go in and just like put it on our face, ignore my skin, ignore everything. I've been having a little bit of a rougher week, so I'm just kind of gonna try to make this chill and relaxing for me, as well as hopefully for you guys, and just something that you can watch and just relax. So yeah, I hope everyone is having such a beautiful holiday season time, because we all deserve it, you know, especially after a year like this. I think we are all, you know, struggling a little all together. So I hope you all are doing well. So I'm doing a little bit of an olive green cut crease situation happening. I think it looks really cute. So do you guys have any like tricks that you do when you're dealing with anxiety or any situations that are a little bit harder to handle? Maybe we can all leave little suggestions down in the comments to help each other out. You know, just in general, let's just all help each other with anxiety, because we all go through stuff like that. It's normal. So maybe you have some cool tips and tricks on how to relieve anxiety. So for my lids, I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this shade right here mixed with Sipping Soup, which is this shade right here. They're very different, but I feel like I want that vibe. So let me see. This might be a huge mistake. I think that looks super pretty, actually. That's super cute. Also, I want to thank everyone so much for joining the giveaway if you did, and if not, just for sharing it and being supportive of me. I find that so amazing. And to all of my new subscribers, welcome. I have some fun videos coming up for you all. I'm sorry about my dogs, they just won't stop barking. Alright, so now this part I'm super excited for. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark greenish blue. This is like very much kind of kind of reminds me very much of Christmas time. A very nice Christmas time. So I'm going to go ahead and take that on a little brush, like a small little brush like this. Just like that. And I'm going to create a line on the inner corner and just kind of create like a liner with it. Let's see. I'm going to come in closer so you guys can see what's happening here. Ooh, I like it. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this eye. So I'm just bronzing up my face a little bit so I don't look so dead. I normally get like a good amount of tan during the summer, but because of COVID, your girl was inside all summer, basically. Well, no, I would like go for walks and stuff, but I was not focusing on getting tan. Like I wasn't, well, I never really focus on getting tan. I don't like that. But like normally I go to Puerto Rico and visit my family, and I go to the beach a lot and all of that stuff. I mean, I live in Miami, so it's not that hard for me to go to the beach. But because of COVID, I wasn't going anywhere. So I'm started out very pale, and now that it's winter time, I'm even more pale than normal. So it's kind of interesting to be this light. I haven't been this light since I was in high school. Because in high school, I literally would just be dancing 24/7. I'd be in a studio dancing. So I just didn't see the sunlight at all, like ever. So yeah. So now that that is all done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara just on my little lashes. And I also have a trick for you guys. If you want to make your eyes look a little bit more open, a little bit more doughy eye effect, do not apply the lower lash line mascara on the whole entire lash. Just dab the very tips of the lash, like this. So you're not getting mascara on the whole entire lashes, you're just getting it on the tips. And that still gives like the lower lash line mascara effect, but it doesn't close up the eye as much. Why am I holding my mascara like this? No clue. So I actually wanted to show you guys my newest obsession of lashes. I have like some high quality lashes, but I definitely have been going towards these. These are the Ardell Naked Lashes. They're super dirty because this pair I've worn a lot. And $4.21. I don't know why, but these lashes just are so amazing. So if you're looking for like a good pair of drugstore eyelashes, I highly recommend these. Now for this look, I think a very, very Christmassy thing to do would be to apply red lipstick with this look. Now, if you've seen a couple of my videos, you know that me and red lipstick are not friends. I don't like red lipstick. I'm sure people think it looks fine on me, but I just don't think it looks good on me. I think it looks amazing on other people. But I don't like how it looks on me, I'm sorry. So, I'll give you two lip options. I'll do the one that I actually want to do, which is like a nude, like something natural. And then I'll show you guys the red lip, or I'll show you the red lip first, and then take it off and then put what I want. Alright, so this is the red lipstick on. Totally an option for you guys if you want to do red. I just used MAC's Ruby Woo. It's cute, you know? Not my favorite, it's very festive, but it is very cute. Okay, so now I'm going to take my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner and just kind of line my lips in general, just very lightly. All around, just add like more definition. And then run it on my lips just a bit, kind of messy. And that is it. I'm gonna just leave my lips like that. I don't really want to put anything crazy on them. I've had a difficult time with my lips today, so that's it. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And now the moment that you all have been waiting for, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winners. So the first winner is Hazel Joy Marin. I will put her Instagram handle here, and I will be DMing her and announcing it on Instagram as well. So that is the first winner of the giveaway. The second winner is Rebecca Avose. I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name, but I will leave her Instagram handle right here, and she is the second winner of this giveaway. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I honestly truly wish I could give each and every one of you guys a big gift and a big hug for this holiday season. You guys all mean the world to me, and I'm so grateful that our little family of muffins are growing. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and stay tuned for a few more holiday looks for the rest of this little holiday season. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.